Matplotlib uses axes to refer to the drawing area that contains data, x and y axis, text, labels, title, etc. Often more than one axis is wanted on the figure at a time, usually organized into different types of layout. In this video, we shall show you how to organize axes in two different methods in Matplotlib. First, we shall import the CIFAR10 dataset from TensorFlow for illustration. We show the first 6 images. We wanted to arrange the 6 images in 2 rows and 3 columns. There are 2 methods. For the first method, we define the figure and axis using the plt.subplot library. We use 2 for loops to assign axes I and j to each image. For method 2, we use the addGridSpec method to define the layout and assign the axis using the addSubplot method. So what is the difference between method 1 and method 2? Method 1 is more intuitive and easier to use. It is good for a regular grid layout like this. However, for method 2, it allows us to create a more complex layout as shown below, where we have a axis that spans 2 columns, 3 columns, and another axis that spans 2 columns. This concludes the video tutorial on Matplotlib subplots. The code can be downloaded below. If you'd like to feedback on the video, we welcome your comments below. And if you like this video tutorial, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.